again.
You're a mean, evil vampire.
Don't you want a vampire?
Vampire.
Wait until we start spraying the hair. Oh, sister.
Oh, she get to eat everything like that.
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Ow, ow, ow.
I'm sorry.
Ain't nothing but a gangster party.
Like a fan.
Oh, you don't like the fan. Okay.
Turn.
Turn that way. Okay.
Yeah.
Notice I'm only doing the top really.
Yeah.
So hopefully it'll be easier. I have big hair too. I just like getting all that out.
Right.
Let's do it.
Making her hair wild. That's how it's supposed to be.
Wild and messy.
Looking
Yeah.
good though, man.
Well, it's not. Yeah. Never mind. Just let me fix me.
Look at me.
Let's make a fan.
The fan is irritating
Okay.
her.
Let me go turn it off since you have an issue with it.
Okay, Mom, we're ready for some colors now. How's that look?
Check,
Are
turn,
you
check.
wild enough?
Look, look. Oh.
Come here!
I always look at
Running
herself.
away,
Get over
okay.
here.
Because then you're going to flatten it down.
I think this side you gotta kind of, especially this right here.
Oh, I wanna get it.
It's like it's not gonna
Is that where you keep flattening it
Yeah.
at? You cannot keep flattening it.
Yeah.
Like crazy.
She just was eating.
Wow, she's
Oh.
been eating. Oh, now, yeah.
I'll come around this way.
Wait till your father sees.
Oh god.
Get her
How's
in there.
that?
Cool.
Okay.
Face Andy. Look up.
Look at that knee, for one. I'm going to go right there,
Yep.
like that.
Oh, yeah.
Oh no.
Oh, it's stressing out, Lena. Oh, gray hair, huh?
Ooh, that's wicked.
Oh, Lena.
Turn and look at me. Did I get your face?
Oh my god, you're so dramatic. It hurts. What hurt? The spray?
The smell, you know,
A
like.
lot of I understand that you want the smell, but you didn't want the fan on.
Yeah, you know, like the fan.
Fan on.
Look at me. Oh yeah, we got some like streaks going here. I don't know why it heated up right there. Maybe because somebody didn't want the fan on.
Mm-hmm.
And it's mixing with your sweat.
Yeah.
That is our issue. Okay.
My name looks like
Here she look.
Yeah, you. Was it last year she was a devil? Yeah.
Okay, how's that?